Okay, you guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you how to do a super easy cut crease. Usually I like to start with a darker shadow, and this is what I like to use to start off with so that I could really like perfect it. Although mine isn't necessarily perfect, but it gets the job done. So I start with darker shades just so you can really see the definition of the cut crease. And then I like to use this for a cut crease, this Anastasia primer, because it's very light, so it's very easy to see. And this is my trick. You look up and wherever your lid touches, that's where you need to like kind of build out your crease. So as you see, I'm like building it to my inner corner, and I'll kind of follow that same curve to the outer corner. And you want to get a brush that has like a crisp edge to it so that it makes it easier for you to create that definition of that line. All details from this video will be listed below, including all the shades used in this palette. I use the Amrezy Anastasia Beverly Hills palette for this. But once you create that line, it's really all about filling it in. So I'm using this gold shade to fill it in, and you want to get as close to the line that you created as possible without going over, because again, it's about creating that definition of the line for the cut crease. And after that, you're pretty much done. I'm just going to use the two shadow brushes I was using before just to kind of blend out the outer edge of it. I'm not adding any additional product, but that's about it.